Okay, this is the flash mob disbursement. They're leaving the area now. Just as fast as they came. They're gone. This ain't gay at all. Run away. Run away. What poor man?
Boy, there were that many people in that stupid little, that little coffee shop. Wow.
Well, he thought that
So
was... I got him running into that sign.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
God, that's great.
That's
See if we can catch any other
fucking
crimes.
idiot. See what's going on down here. They're just walking down the sidewalk.
Is that the guy that hit the sign?
Game over in the red car.
Oh, the guy in the red car.